Hey friends, welcome to our weekly WOW Huddle. My name is Crystal Gail and I will be your host today. Yes, I don't know who else will be the host, but I am your host. Each week I come here to just pour into you. Not only pour into you, but remind you that you are the leader and you are the wow. Sometimes I give you tips and strategies, but ultimately my goal is to remind you that you are the wow. So on today, we're going to be quick today because I know that it is a new quarter, the first Monday in the new quarter. Happy mid-year to those that I have not spoken to. I hope that you had an amazing holiday. For those that are in a different country, shout out to my UK crew. I hope that you also had an amazing weekend and you're enjoying the jump start of your new half of the year. Okay, sometimes people say that the midpoint is like a new year for them. Okay, I understand the vibes. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I just posted on LinkedIn on yesterday that the title said, you don't need another course, certificate, or degree. You need ... And so I want to talk about on today what that ... is, because what prompted this topic was that I just got 2 certifications. Yes. 2 certifications, one in development and training and the other one in facilitation. Now, did I need a certificate in either one of those? Absolutely not. Friends, don't judge me. I had a moment of weakness, okay? I did not need a certificate for none of that. I think what happened was that I was doubting myself. I was doubting my skills. I felt like maybe I needed something else to add to the resume. I needed to show value. Even though I have been on all the stages, I have done all the workshops, facilitated some amazing workshops with amazing individuals, but something deep down inside me said, you still need that piece of paper. Do I have a piece of paper in here? I don't think I have a piece of paper. I don't. But I say that to say, I want to remind you all, you don't need another piece of paper. Come closer. You don't need another piece of paper. You need the ... Crystal, what is this ... you're talking about? Okay. So just to bring it on home, friends, what you need is clarity. Come on. A plan. Come on. And execution. Come on, Crystal. You need clarity. Come on. A plan. Come on. And execution. Some of you are out here saying, I want to do this. I want the new job. I want to do A, B, and C. But you don't really have clarity on exactly what that looks like for you. Okay? Come on, smart goals. And secondly, you don't have a plan. You have not mapped out what it's going to take for you to get from point A to point B. And that's okay, right? That's okay, because I got something for you at the end. But besides the clarity and the plan, I need you all to execute, because some of you all have the clarity, you have the plan, okay? And I'm talking to myself because oftentimes I have the plan and I have the clarity, but my execution is a little bit off sometimes, and I blame myself because it may be a moment of doubt, moment saying, oh, I need another certificate, or this speaker had this and this and maybe I need to go get that. No. You need to execute and believe that the opportunity is right there waiting for you. So as we go into this new week, because there's some of you all that are like, I want to go and get this certificate, Crystal. I want to go take this course. I want to go get a new degree. Now, I'm not telling you all don't get your degrees, okay? Now, if you really need to go and get your degree, please go and get it, because I'm a big believer in higher education. I got all the degrees, okay? I don't have the doctor, but I have all the degrees, all the other degrees, right? But I say this to say that use what you have right now in this moment. Some of you all don't realize that you have everything that you need to do everything that you're supposed to be doing right now. Let that sink in, because some of y'all, I'm not going to get that until lunchtime. Some of you all have, not some, everyone has everything that you need right now to do everything you're supposed to be doing right now. Keyword supposed, okay? And so take that with you this week. I want you all to get clarity, create the plan, and execute. I think I put in one of my stories, Facebook stories. Yeah. Shout out to Meta. I put in my stories that some of you all just need to move. You got the clarity in the plan. You just need to move. Okay? I don't know who that is for, but you need to move. You need to move. Okay? So, what did I say? You need what? Clarity. Number 2, you need what? What do you need for number 2? A plan. And what's number 3? Execution. You need to execute, okay? So if you're having issues with the clarity part and the planning part, I got something for you. On Monday the 14th, okay, July the 14th, I'll be hosting a class. Yay, I'm actually back out here teaching because I got these certifications, might as well use them. Don't y'all mind me, I actually do be doing speaking engagements. I actually have one this week that I'll be doing for another organization, but I need to be doing it for my own community as well. So I will be teaching on July the 14th, like a long workshop. It'll be an hour long, and we're going to map out your plan for the rest of the year, okay? Now, if you're like, Crystal, that's overwhelming. Well, let's do it for the next 3 months or even the next month. Whatever it is, we need to map things out. Like, if you even got a little bit of clarity, come to the class. If you have no clarity, you might need to book something before you come to the class, but with that being said, don't miss out, because you can grab the nuggets now and we can backtrack and do like a consultation and then say, okay, this is what we really need to do. But click on the link below, okay? Click on the link below to register. It's a Zoom call, all right? Everybody knows how Zoom works. If you don't know how Zoom works, just DM me, okay? Click on the link below and register. It's going to be on July the 14th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, friends, I'm done. I hope that resonates with somebody. Remember, every day you wake up, you got 2 opportunities. Either you can wake up and be the wow, or wake up and be the whoa. I'm choosing to be the wow. How about you? All right, friends, y'all have a great, amazing week on purpose. Shout out to my cousin Clevana. That's her favorite phrase, on purpose. Have an amazing week on purpose. And I will see y'all at the next WOW Huddle. Bye.